Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by prepping hardware and the OS. Plug the monitor into the GPU using the best port available. Once connected, update the GPU driver and monitor firmware if needed. Next, you determine which split method to use. Operating system virtual desktops are simple, MSD or DisplayPort split needs GPU and cable support, and monitor PBP/PIP works on the display itself. Make sure to have necessary cables and adapters ready, because this first step sets the foundation for everything that follows. Now you configure the system. Open display settings and detect new displays, then assign each virtual screen a resolution and orientation that matches the monitor's native panel. If you chose MSD, connect an MSD hub and enable multi-stream on the GPU control panel. Once done, arrange the virtual screens in Windows or Mac OS. For monitor-based PBP or PIP, navigate the on-screen menu and map input ports to the left and right halves. Make adjustments so scaling and refresh rate are consistent across both panes. Finish by testing workflows. Drag different apps to each pane and use Windows Snap to lock layouts. Once comfortable, fine-tune scaling and DPI so text and UI elements match. If you used a GPU split, verify each virtual display reports proper refresh rate. For monitor PBP, confirm color profiles on both inputs. One key troubleshooting step: if one pane shows no signal, swap cables and try a different port. Then roll back the driver or factory reset the monitor if detection still fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.